Hi, I'm Mike Gubby from Motorised Blinds. In this video today, I'm going to explain to you the process for adjusting the speed of your battery motors, be it the lithium ion range of battery motors or the DCRF range of 12 volt motors that we have on the Motorised Blinds website. Now, the battery motor itself has three speed options. That's 20, 24 and 28 RPM. And the DCRF motor has the options of 20, 30 or 40 RPM. So the one that I'm going to do here is one of the battery motors. So I'm going to show you the exact process of doing that. Now, when it comes out of the factory, it does come out in the slowest speed, and that's to conserve power and make the roller blind as quiet as possible, the roller blind motor as quiet as possible. But I'd find that probably suitable for most windows in my home, but if it was a sliding door, I'd want to get out the sliding door quickly, so I'd want the blind to move up and down as quickly as possible. So let's go ahead and show you exactly how to change the speed. So what you need to do is just remove the battery cover off the back of the remote control, and you can see this little P2 button right here. Now, I'm on channel number 15 because that's the unique channel that I talk only to this roller blind motor. So let's go ahead and push the P2 button, and right now we're going to make the motor go faster. So push the P2 button, the motor jogs, and now to make it go faster I hit the up button, jogs, and hit it again to confirm. The motor now jogs, and now we're operating in the middle speed for this roller blind motor. So let's make it go faster again. So we go back to our P2 button, we push it, the motor jogs, and now I'm going to push up. And if you listen now, you'll hear it. And you hear the pitch of the motor change, and now we're operating at our faster speed, and that's exactly what I'd like to see, particularly over a sliding door or an exit that you want to go out through the home. Okay. Now, the process of making them slower is the same, but rather than hitting the up button to make it go faster, we hit the down button to make it go slower. So we're now operating this roller blind at the fastest speed, and let me go ahead and show you exactly how to make the roller blind motor go slower. So I hit the P2 button, and I'm going to hit my down button and confirm. I've just changed it back to the middle speed, and let's change it back to the slower speed. So P2 down and down again. And you just heard the pitch of the motor change, so now we're back in the slower speed. So that's the simple process for adjusting the speed of the roller blind motors. I hope you found that helpful, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.